I will keep these for now, for roasting, to get the whole smell of it. I find these beautiful tomatoes. My oven is preheating 400 Fahrenheit in convection. You can see the differences of the tomato. Look at this. It's winter now. It's hard to find really great tomato. I'm so happy my husband can, the baker. He finds these beautiful tomatoes, and it's really cold outside. I decided to make some tomato soup. So again, we are not gonna eat these, but I'm keeping them for roasting. This is gonna be very easy and very quick roasted tomato soup. Garlic. Just put the garlic without peeling or anything. Just put it in here. I'm gonna take this close to me. Black pepper. Sprinkle with black pepper. And oregano. If you guys have fresh ones, use fresh ones. I'm gonna use dried because I don't have fresh ones. I love oregano, so I'll use a lot. You can use as much as you want. Just sprinkle, sprinkle. And this is my favorite salt, modern salt. I'm going to use that one because I really love the taste of it. I'm going to, just like for people, measure it, 1 tablespoon. But I like to do everything with my hand to my taste. Basically, when I cook like this, I cover all the surface. Of course, generously, I'm going to put olive oil. Like, I'm probably using 3 tablespoons of olive oil. There we go. And I'm going to put 1 medium onion. It was a big onion. I used this part for salad. This is Vidalia. It's a sweet onion. You can use any onion you like. I will chop them just like this because we are going to puree it. You don't have to worry about it too much. This, you don't have to do this step. I just like it for extra nice taste. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'll put my onions. So I like to cook my onions a little bit for extra flavor. Meanwhile, I want to thank all of our subs being here and commenting. We really love to hear your comments. Some of you are really very creative. I love it when you come with a different twist with our breads and other cooking, giving us ideas. We really appreciate and love it. Also, you can tell us what else would you like us to cook. Now I will put like 2 tablespoons. This is smaller. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. I put my heat at the medium, low medium. There you go. I got my oven. I will add 1 tablespoon of butter. Any butter will do good. You don't have to use some specific brand to be in keto. also keep in mind, yes, tomatoes are high in carb, but we still can eat it. So if it fits on your macros, you can eat it. There you go. Until it really cooks, I cooked my tomato paste. Now it's ready. I close the lid. Put my tomatoes and garlic in the oven, 400 for half an hour. This is like literally 40 minutes later. It's all get caramelized. Beautiful. Ta-da! I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. I'm turning them over. I'm going to peel them soon. I might put a little bit too much olive oil, but it's going to be great. You can just watch for it to put less olive oil, but it's going to be yummy. The smell is so good. Okay, you see, it so easily separates. You can use utensils to do that. I let it cool, and my hands are clean. Outside, you don't need it, of course. Inside, yum, you need them. Oh, it's some kind of weird satisfaction to squeeze the garlic. Do you guys like garlic? I love garlic. Of course, I'm cleaning the stems. My tomatoes are not too hot. I clean them all. Okay, now it's time for putting our roasted tomatoes. Do you guys remember this? This is like yummy onion and cooked tomato paste together and a little bit cayenne in it. Cayenne makes it the color dark like this, so it's not burnt, don't worry. And all this yumminess going in. I took out the tomatoes peels and the green parts. If there's a little bit in it, I don't think it's a problem because we are going to puree it. This is 1.5 liter chicken broth. So basically I'm going to put a little bit on top of my tomatoes. I'm not putting it all at all. It could have been better if I measured it, but you can see this is the tomatoes we cooked together in the oven, and a little bit on top of it. I will cook this 20 more minutes just to make everything marry to each other. Okay, I almost forgot, one of the most important ingredient is sugar. I'm going to use this one because I'm on keto. If you're not, you can use just a regular sugar. I'm going to use like half of a tablespoon because this is gonna help with the acidity. Is that a word, acidity? It's gonna make your soup yummier, trust me. Oh, look at this. Oh gosh, it is so incredible, even just like that. Okay, now the soup is still boiling. My Ken got me some basil because all of a sudden I wanted to make tomato soup. It's winter. Who doesn't like creamy, nice, yummy tomato soup? Okay, I'm gonna put in it roughly chopped basil, like this much, while my soup is still boiling. Okay, I put some of them in the stove already. Now I'm going to layer them like this. And then you're gonna roll them like this. Like just like that. And then you cut them like this. Let's puree it. Go, Ken, go!
Alright, get a stick blender. They're really handy to have. If you don't have one, you can use a regular blender. Make sure it's all the way in. Be careful with this. If you get hot soup splashing up, it's no fun. Looks good. Look at that color.
And ta-da! Who is learning how to cook? We are going to put some half cup of Parmigiano Reggiano or any melted cheese you have. Just a little bit. Drizzle some cream too.
Alright.
Since it's keto, we don't have to. It's just
A couple
for
tablespoons.
fun. A little bit more.
Sure. 3 tablespoons then.
Beautiful, gorgeous tomato soup. Soup. This is like winter dream soup.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Go.
The texture is really good.
Don't burn yourself.
More. Oh, great. That's really delicious. Thank you. I love it.
You're welcome. Bon appetit. Let's go eat. I'm so hungry.
The extra cheese is melting. You want to put a little shredded sharp cheddar on top. Get it melty and nice. Fresh basil.
Hey guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and when you make our dishes, let us know how it comes out for you. We really enjoy hearing from you. Some of you are really creative. I love it.